My name is Elaine, and this is Marketing 473, and I'll be talking about internet marketing. Internet marketing, advertising and marketing efforts that use the web and email to drive direct sales via electronic commerce. Search engine marketing is a form of internet marketing that involves the promotion of websites by increasing their visibility in search engine result pages, primarily through paid advertising. Advertising is an audio or visual form of marketing communication that employs an openly sponsored, non-personal message to promote or sell a product, service, or idea. Google My Business. Show the world you're open for business on Google Search and Maps.
In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up Google My Business. Every business that wants to be found on Google should know how to set up their Google My Business page. You wouldn't want to be left out, right? So setting up your Google My Business page for your business really requires very little effort. You only need to have a Google account and time to spare for this. But not being on Google is just like not being on the map. When you set up your Google My Business, your business information will be added to other Google properties such as Maps and Search. This is just like filling out an application form. All right, let's get started. Step 1. You will have your key business information ready. Address, contact details, website, etc. Make sure you fill out everything. Google My Business is a directory that also works like a social network. You can put up a photo, virtual tour, and videos. Step 2. One of the single most important steps in this process is adding great photos to your page. According to Google, businesses with pictures boast a click-through rate that is 35% higher and 42% more requests for driving directions that photo-free business listings don't get. Great visuals reassure us that the business we're looking at is legitimate. Step 3. While not directly part of the setup process, another important step is to reply to all of the feedback you receive on your page. Hopefully, most of all of this feedback will be positive. However, sometimes a negative review will pop up. It's important when this happens to respond promptly, politely, and carefully. If it's a true complaint, offer to make it better. All right, well, that wasn't that bad, but hold on. Just in case you didn't take it all in, we've made available a free infographic that will take you step by step through the process, and all you have to do is click the link below in the description, fill in your email, and I will send you this easy step-by-step formula for your online marketing success. Now, your Google business page is good to go. However, you might want to take time filling out all of your business information as completely as possible. And as I mentioned, this includes photos. Aside from this, go back and check on it regularly. You'll want to keep tabs on what's being said about you on your page. Doing a professional job will pay off. Great Google rankings and a presence on Google Maps may do as much for your business as all of your other advertising efforts combined, and it won't cost you a dime. So put some elbow grease into it and watch your business grow. But enough of that for now. Don't forget to download.
Organic advertising is simply word-of-mouth free advertising.
Negative online reviews are generally bad news for small businesses, but it's proved a boon for one local pub. Harrison, visitor to the Antelope Pub in Surbiton, was so underwhelmed by the experience he posted his thoughts online, giving the pub 1 out of a possible 5 stars. The punter complained of the lack of well-known lagers like Stella, noting that the Antelope offered too many local unknown beers, and worse still, they were served up by too enthusiastic barmen. The anonymous reviewer was also put off by the trendy crowd. But rather than apologize, the proprietor promptly shared the critique on the pub's Facebook page with the message, "Happy to be a 1-star pub. If this person's idea of a 5-star pub is anything to go by, and given that many of the mystery drinkers' bugbears are attributes drinkers actively look for in a local," people quickly responded to say they'd be paying the Antelope a visit thanks to his review. The review had not only criticized their staff, but also slammed them for unknown beers, and suggested they start to sell Stella Artois. Bit of a hippie trendy crowd too, which isn't impressive. Also barman far too enthusiastic and excited about selection of beer sick. Rather than apologize, the pub shared the comments with their Facebook followers to poke fun at the customer. Happy to be a 1-star pub. If this person's idea of a 5-star pub is anything to go by, they wrote, followed by the laughing emoji. One commented, "Great advert for the Antelope here. We're all going there now. Hilarious. To be fair, I really want to go to this pub now," another posted. A third said, "Brilliant. May even be worth the 4-hour round trip to visit. If this review is anything to go by, we haven't been to the Antelope yet." Luckily, this review lets us know it's exactly the place for us. You can never be too enthusiastic about proper beers, a fourth agreed. The Antelope Pub declined to comment when contacted by mail-in line.
These are my references, and thank you for watching.